Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Can you hear my little friend meowing in the background? This is the haul from Kohl's. That's starting to become a tongue twister. The haul from Kohl's. So this is still the part 3. There was 2 more shoes that I wanted to show you. So these were, well, you can say these are in between dressy and casual. So I wanted to show them to you, and you decide, is it dressy, is it casual? I think it could be both. And this is from the brand, this one is from the brand SO. So, is that, I guess, or you just say SO. Size 6. This is how it looks on the box. It was $19.99. It was $50, so that's a little pricey, $50. So for the sale price for $19.99, sign me up. So this is not a slide-in. It has the papers in. I'm going to show you. It might be easier to see through them. It's got a little heel, little like a platform heel, and it's got like a platform heel here. And here it's plain, but here it has like a fancy, like a little plastic design, which just adds a cute little element to it. So it could be either or. It could be dressy or casual, whatever you like. And it has so it's not just a slide-in. It has the actual bucket, the strap, and the little buckle here. But so nice and so light and cute also. I'm telling you, this year they had the nicest styles, all my style, all the kinds that I like. So very, very nice. And let's put these away, and then here's the other pair. Similar, this is not SO, this is Sonoma kind. Oh, okay, here we are. And then this says Ortholite Eco Sonoma, 6.5, $26.99. Is that what it says? $26.99. And they were $59, so they were $60. So 6.5. And let's see what these are. Sonoma. Let's take a look. And they're similar to the others, but oh, very nice also. Look at that. It has this that goes around like that. It has the buckle. So elegant. And look, it has braiding on the side. This is plain here. This is plain, but oh, wow. Not as big platform as the other one, but still. This is casual, but still it could be dressy. Wow, very soft here. Like they say, when they say Ortholite Eco, they aren't kidding. These are very, very nice. And there you go. There is the other 2, dressy or casual. You decide. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and come back for more hauls. Have a great afternoon and evening. Bye!